Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We're really happy you're here today.
This is Learn English with real-life examples.
Yes, today we help you speak clearly and naturally.
No difficult grammar,
No stress.
just real English.
Simple English.
English you can use every day.
If you like learning English this way, please like the episode.
And subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and it helps you stay motivated.
Okay, take a breath.
Relax. You're doing great already.
Topic 1. Talking about your morning. Let's start with something easy.
Your morning.
Everyone has a morning.
Yes. So listen first.
I wake up at 7.
Repeat after Jelly.
I wake up at 7.
Good job.
Another example.
I wake up early.
Or I wake up late.
Simple. Very useful.
Now a real sentence.
I wake up at 7 and drink water.
Listen again.
I wake up at 7 and drink water.
Nice. You're improving already. Topic 2. Simple breakfast talk.
Let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Here's a simple sentence.
My breakfast is simple.
Repeat it.
My breakfast is simple.
Great.
Now a real example.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
This sounds natural.
Yes, people really say this.
Another one.
I drink tea in the morning.
Or coffee.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Good job listening. Topic 3. Talking about your day.
Now let's talk about your day.
Very important topic.
Simple sentence first.
My day is busy.
Or,
My day is calm.
listen again. My day is busy.
My day is calm.
Both are correct.
Now a longer sentence.
My day is busy, but I like my work.
That sounds real.
Yes, very natural English.
Topic 4. Talking about work or study.
Let's talk about work or study.
You can use these sentences every day.
I work in an office.
Or, I study English at home.
Repeat slowly.
I study English at home.
Perfect.
Now a real-life example.
I study English every day, even for 10 minutes.
That's a great habit.
Yes, short practice is okay.
Topic 5. Expressing feelings, very simple.
Let's talk about feelings.
Simple feelings. I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel good today.
Listen again.
I feel happy.
I feel tired.
Good job.
You don't need big words.
Simple words are powerful.
Topic 6. Short, real conversation.
Now let's listen to a short conversation.
Listen first. Don't repeat yet. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. My day is busy.
Now listen again and repeat.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. My day is busy.
Amazing.
That's real English.
Topic 7. Encouragement moment.
Let's stop for a second.
You are doing really well,
Learning a new language is not easy.
but you are here.
You are listening.
That means progress.
Good job.
Topic 8. Talking about evening.
Let's continue.
Now the evening.
Simple sentence.
In the evening, I relax.
Or,
I watch TV in the evening.
repeat it.
I watch TV in the evening.
Very clear.
Now a real sentence.
In the evening, I eat dinner and relax.
Nice and natural.
Topic 9, review with repetition. Let's review some sentences.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
My day is busy.
I study English at home.
I feel happy today.
Great job.
Topic 10. Talking about free time.
Okay, let's start.
Now we talk about free time.
Free time means time for yourself.
Listen first.
In my free time, I relax.
Repeat after Jelly.
In my free time, I relax.
Good job.
Another real sentence.
In my free time, I watch videos.
This is very common English.
Yes, very real. Topic 11. Talking about likes.
Now let's talk about likes.
Simple sentence.
I like tea.
Repeat.
I like tea.
Nice.
Now a longer one.
I like tea because it helps me relax.
Listen again.
I like tea because it helps me relax.
Great listening.
Topic 12. Talking about dislikes.
Now, dislikes.
Very easy. I don't like noise.
Repeat.
I don't like noise.
Another real example.
I don't like waking up early.
Many people say this.
Yes, very real English. Topic 13. Talking about small problems.
Let's talk about small problems.
Simple sentence first.
I have a problem.
Repeat.
I have a problem.
Now a real-life sentence.
I have a problem. I feel tired today.
Listen again.
I feel tired today.
Good job. Topic 14. Asking for help. Asking for help is very important.
Listen carefully.
Can you help me?
Repeat slowly.
Can you help me?
Nice.
Another polite sentence.
Can you help me, please?
Very polite, very natural. Topic 15. Short, real conversation practice.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Listen first. Hi, are you free today?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
Great, let's talk later.
Now listen again and repeat.
Are you free today?
I am free in the evening.
Perfect. Topic 16. Talking about evening plans. Now let's talk about plans.
Simple sentence.
In the evening, I will relax.
Repeat.
In the evening, I will relax.
Another example.
In the evening, I will watch a movie.
Sounds natural.
Topic 17. Encouragement break.
Let's pause for a moment.
You are learning real English.
You don't need fast English.
You need clear English.
And you are doing it.
Good job. Topic 18. Talking about night routine.
Now, night routine.
Listen. At night, I eat dinner.
Repeat.
At night, I eat dinner.
Another real sentence.
At night, I go to bed early.
Very clear.
Topic 19. Review with repetition.
Let's review.
Listen and repeat. In my free time, I relax.
I like tea.
I don't like noise.
Can you help me, please?
In the evening, I will relax.
Excellent.
Topic 20. Talking about the weekend.
Okay, let's start.
Now we talk about the weekend.
Weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
Listen first.
On the weekend, I relax.
Repeat after Jelly.
On the weekend, I relax.
Good job.
Another real sentence.
On the weekend, I stay at home.
Very common English.
Yes, very natural.
Topic 21. Talking about simple weekend activities.
Now let's add activities.
Simple words.
I watch TV.
Repeat.
I watch TV.
Good.
Now a full sentence. On the weekend, I watch TV.
Listen again.
On the weekend, I watch TV.
Nice.
Topic 22. Talking about going out.
Now going out.
Listen. I go out with friends.
Repeat.
I go out with friends.
Another real example.
On the weekend, I go out with friends.
Sounds real.
Topic 23. Talking about past weekend. Very simple past.
Now let's talk about last weekend.
We use simple past.
Listen carefully.
Last weekend, I stayed at home.
Repeat slowly.
Last weekend, I stayed at home.
Good job.
Another example.
Last weekend, I watched TV.
Very good.
Topic 24. Talking about food on the weekend.
Now food.
Food is easy.
On the weekend, I eat good food.
Repeat.
On the weekend, I eat good food.
Another real sentence.
I eat rice and vegetables.
Natural English.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Listen only.
How was your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
I stayed at home and relaxed.
Now listen again and repeat. How was your weekend?
It was good.
I stayed at home and relaxed. Excellent.
Topic 26. Talking about feelings after the weekend.
Now, feelings.
Simple feelings.
After the weekend, I feel relaxed.
Repeat.
I feel relaxed.
Another example.
I feel tired.
Both are correct.
Topic 27. Encouragement pause.
Let's stop for a moment.
You are doing great.
Weekend talk is very common.
And now you can do it.
Good job.
Topic 28. Talking about next weekend.
Now, future.
Next weekend.
Listen.
Next weekend, I will relax.
Repeat.
Next weekend, I will relax.
Another real example.
Next weekend, I will visit my family.
Sounds natural.
Topic 29. Review with repetition.
Let's review.
Listen and repeat.
On the weekend, I relax.
Last weekend, I stayed at home.
I watched TV.
I feel relaxed.
Next weekend, I will relax.
Perfect.
Wrap up. Okay, friends, let's recap.
Today, you learned how to talk about
Your morning,
your breakfast,
your day,
your work or study,
your feelings.
all with simple, real English.
Remember, clear English is better than perfect English.
Practice a little every day.
You are improving already.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
You did great today.
You practiced real English.
Simple sentences.
Clear sentences.
Now, our question for you.
What do you do in your free time?
Write one simple sentence.
For example, in my free time, I watch videos.
Tell us in the comments.
You did amazing today.
You talked about your weekend.
Past, present, and future.
Simple English.
Now your turn.
What did you do last weekend?
Write one simple sentence.
For example, last weekend I stayed at home.
Tell us in the comments.
We're proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing. Bye.